guys, so protein in the morning for breakfast and veggies, getting that into my kids, not the easiest thing, especially when you're on the move, when you're running and you're rushing. So one thing I love to do is prep ahead frittatas. High protein, I sneak in some veggies. You just have them prepped in the fridge, heat them up in the oven, and it's super easy. What I like to do is in a muffin tin, I like to do half that are adult version and then the other half for my kids, which is I tend to sneak in stuff that's all kind of the same color. The white cheeses and cauliflower into the egg, you can kind of hide it in there. And then in the adult, I'll do more kind of vibrant, poppy vegetables. These are my ingredients. This is Fontina cheese. I like it. It's mild, it's beautiful, it's an elegant flavor. So this will go in the adult one. This is a mixture of dill, basil from the farmer's market, and then baby spinach. Chopped it up, mixed them all together. So I've shown you guys that I do this before. I'll saute vegetables, like sometimes I'll do red peppers, other times I'll do carrots, celery, and onion. Today, this is some white onion and mushroom. So I just have this in my fridge, ready to go into different sautés and meals. This is a perfect example. I'm gonna throw it into the adult version of the frittata. Then for me and the kids, I'm gonna use turkey bacon. This is already cooked. And then for the kiddos, I'm gonna try to sneak in cauliflower because it'll blend in the egg. And then this is some cheddar cheese, which I know they love. So that's for the kiddos. And then I have 7 eggs that are already whipped with some milk. The reason why I'm only doing 7 eggs is because the bottom of the muffin tins are gonna be filled with this stuff. So this will be plenty to bring to the top. I really want the frittatas to come out easily, so I'm gonna use some of my olive oil cooking spray. So now let's build our frittata. So I'm just gonna put everything in the bottom. I'm gonna do the mushroom. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good, guys. And this is what's fun about recipes like this, like change it up, you know, like put in whatever you guys like. Tailor made. So then in the bottom, I'm gonna drop in some of this turkey bacon and our cheese. And then what's so cool is that this is gonna be ready to go in the fridge, high protein, veggies in there. I'm very excited about it. If you want to keep some extra cheese to top it with, right on. Okay, great, there's the adult. Now let's build the kids. So for the kids, I'm gonna do cauliflower, and then we'll gently mix it up. Hide the cauliflower in there. My daughter is way more chill with this stuff, but my son is in this phase where if he tastes anything that's a little off, he's like, when he knows I'm trying to sneak in vegetables, we'll see if he figures it out. I love the flavor of cauliflower, so does my daughter, but for my son, I need to kind of mask it. Okay, great. Now let's top it with the egg. Easy peasy. Just get it in all the cups and then do a gentle little stir. Perfect. And then feel free to like top it with more cheese or whatever, you know. 350 oven is preheating. Pop this in. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna turn this and then cook it probably for about another 8 minutes or so. Let's get this in the oven. Awesome. These cooked for 10 minutes, turn them around another 10 minutes, took them out, and then I covered them. Whenever I'm doing eggs or fish, baking it like this, after I bring them out, I'll tent them with some aluminum foil because they'll keep cooking. So you have to be careful not to overcook them. And when you tent them, the cooking will slow down, but it'll be nice and they'll be finished. And now, these are done. Let's cut them out. So as you can see, kids, adult, you know, put them in the container. These are also really great to bring on the go because they're really good at room temperature. So a lot of times I'll just wrap this in a little parchment paper or aluminum foil or stick it in a little container and bring it with you. Look at that perfect little protein cup. Okay, these ready to go. Here's the adult one. You see the mushroom in there. Oh, yum. Oh my gosh. I love dill. It is so good. That is delicious. Look at how pretty that is. All right. Yum.